Hello, welcome. Charcoal homies. Okay, I know I'm just by myself, so it's a little lame, but yeah, today, I guess I'm just gonna be interviewing random beans, and get on the fucking phone.
I'm eating cookies out the bag, this the sound. Everybody know I'm trying to make it out the hood now. Let me grab a cookie out the bag. I don't know why you keep playing with me like I ain't getting to the cash. This is the sound of a platypus. You know I'm...
Oh, there's a parking spot right there. Nah, there's one right here. Close! No! What the fuck is going on here? We just gotta go, man. We gotta go. Do the right thing. Do the right thing, Rodolfo. Alright, let me see the ball. Alright, I'll put a stop to this. Here, hold it. Oh, no. Get us, bro. Here, I'll spike it. Okay.
Bitch, I customized.
Rodolfo, these are the perfect one for us.
You know what you guys should do for YouTube?
What?
Like you should like go to Target or some shit and then
We
order.
were just there.
Oh, what'd you guys do there?
Oh my god, every time he broke his car.
Bro, just get away from me.
He doesn't even know. Why are you telling him to go in front if he doesn't even know where he's going? Crazy ass driver.
What is he doing? I know.
He's so dumb. Hi. Oh, you know we saw a black.
Yo, ever heard of Charco, homies? The one and only website where you can watch beans, dark beans, and even darker beans.
What are you doing?
You got a mango. Give me that mango.
Oh, watch out, there's a car.
Oh, so yeah, like I was saying, I was just showing you guys like, oh my god, now.
Guys, open up. Are you Rudy Morales Fernandez Salazar? Get on the fucking floor! Get on the fucking floor, speak! Get on the fucking floor!
Okay. Let's keep going, guys. So what are we looking for today? Into a girl outfit? Okay. I'll let you guys pick out an outfit for me. Alright,
Oh yeah,
alright.
if you can pick out for me and I'll pick out one for you.
Okay.
Let's make it super sliding. Alright. What do we do?
Alright, here.
Where's the
You
sled
guys
at?
from? I'll be over here.
You pick one for us. What do you think you like?
I think we gotta get him some booty shorts.
We gotta get him something like. Oh, look at these.
These are like okay.
Oh my finger's been on the camera the whole time.
This is all
Something like this.
Good evening, Macy shoppers.
Holy shit.
Dude, that's actually huge. That's a big lady.
That's a big lady, yeah, that's a fucking heifer. That's a fucking heifer.
No way.
I'll get him.
He's no way he puts that on.
Well, that's an extra large. Let's find a large.
You're gonna make him put that on?
Yeah,
No shot.
I think he'll do it. How we find a large?
He's looking. You just go faster.
Oh fuck.
I'm not putting
This is the top.
Put it on. Like, try
This
it.
is the top.
I'll put on the top.
Alright, let me find you some pants. Let's find some booty pants. Put it on, you fuck.
I can't. I literally can't.
Put it on, you fuck.
I'm just had it on.
No, put it back on.
Oh shit.
Woo!
Alright, so it turns out we already got kicked out, so we have to go.
Yeah. What else are we gonna go do?
We're gonna go to the bathroom.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah. I guess we'll cut to that. The ice agent calmed down, so he's with us now. He's just
Hi.
chilling. So this is his dog. Where'd you get this dog? What's his name?
His name is Spikdar. He detects Spiks. Doesn't like brown people. As you can tell.
Stop biting me. I'm white. I'm white. I promise.
Zeus! Bite him! Bite the Spik!
Okay, don't bite me. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the video.
This is
please,
four dudes kissing.
Love you guys.
please like and comment and.
Me?
Yo, ever heard of Charco Homies? The one and only website where you can watch beans, dark beans, and even blacker beans. Click here for more videos.
So today's special.
Oreo McFlurry. Asado.
Say what's up, coconut.